ang sapatos. A sinusud sa trabaho. At eskwela.
I sell fair of shoes for the Philippines so that they can wear it. World-class and affordable shoes.
Ang masipag na negosyante. Di lang sa sapatos yun lang. Kundi sa lahat ng bagay. Pero pag nasira ang sapatos, kailan ganayasin?
In not only serving shoes, but to serve all from what they need and what they want. Selling shoes and fixing shoes is my life.
Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning, the business and life of the King of Philippine Business, Henry C. with your Denver Ninong Castro. As your Henry C. Kahit Buddha's na sapatos ayasin ko. Studying Henry C.'s first job, The Road to Succeed on his Shumart Histories. Coming this December 24th, 2022, and simulcast on Ninong TV, Facebook, and YouTube. Henry C. The King of Philippine Business. Only here at Ninong TV, your educational vlog show and entertainment.
Good afternoon to all of you, and what's up to all of my watchers in Facebook and YouTube subscribers. And this is Ninong TV together with your host Denver Castro to be roll as Mr. Henry C for another video blog that you will experience here in our special learning of business and life and the creation of Mr. Henry C of his SM Mall businesses. For today's video we will have is kahit butas na sapatos aayusin ko. Studying Henry C's first job, The Road to Succeed on his Shumart Histories. Wow, this is a very interesting video blog, especially for our millennial, for our new people, the kids rather, right? That is most likely wanted to go to mall, to eat, to bonding, to buy a new toy, etc., etc. But they don't know who is the real owner or how SM evolved. Because we people, or the first people, our grandparent, our lolo lola, daddy and mommy is the first people who discovered the original place or the original image of the mall. And we people, about 20th century, 2000 something was born. So we didn't know what is the real image of SM Super Mall in that year. And for this learning, we will discover the first business or the first creation of Mr. Henry C. How he evolved, how he do the hard work in just selling shoes, fixing shoes. The first career that Mr. Henry C. invented for our nation. So for the first episode that you will witness is the meaning of SM first. For our educational purposes and for the researchers, Shumart was abbreviated into SM, the name which became commonly known by the locals. The abbreviation SM has become an orphan initialism, and it's also first built in 1958. For those who is asking and searching the year where SM discovered or built, it was in 1958. So for the first episode that you will discover here is the first creations of his business, making shoes, selling shoes, and fixing. So the first Henry C that you will discover, medyo bagets pa si Tito Henry nyo dito. Makikita nyo parang si BTS pa ang datingan. O, talagang pogi talaga. But you will discover first, siyempre hindi pa naman pagka nakita nyo malaki na agad ang mall. You will discover here his first creation and first career as Shumart. So let's check it out. just witnessed the first activity that Mr. Henry C. do on his businesses. And I was also amazed, no? Para tayo nag-time travel. We saw Henry C. in that year, no? So, parang kagaya siya nila Manuel Quezon, nila Rizal, Ibarra, etc. So, talagang ibang-iba pa talagang henerasyon noon, no? So, for the next episode that you will discover here is the first SM he created. Ito na, yung mga millennium. So, tumatayo na yung mga SM niya, pero hindi pa to yung mga SM MOA, yung mga SM North, etc. mga ganyan. This is the first SMs that he created. Pero still, ang pangalan ng business niya is Shoe Mart. So, when he created those of the building, Shoe Mart pa rin ang tatak. So, we will check it out, the first invented SM from 1950s to 60s. O, sino yung mga buhay na dyan? You just watch this vlog together with your lolo, lola, or your daddy, or mommy, kung naabutan nila yung mga panahon na ito. And you will see that this vlog is really an educational and a reality. So, let's check it out. Okay, for the next episode here is the modern SM now. So, again, para tayo nag-time travel. We saw the old pictures of SM. So, parang Titanic, no? Talagang black and white pa. So, parang nagta-travel tayo. We are going to the first SM with our lolo, lola, or daddy and mommy. Bumata daw sila kunwari, no? Naging 10 years old, naging 6 years old. And we discover yung SM noon at ngayon, talagang ibang-iba pa talaga. So, that is the first creation. Siyempre, in the business, if you're building, so para lang naman yung baby, no? If we have a baby, improve muna, papalakihin, diba? Tuturuan pa natin. So, anong mga educational pa dapat malaman para ma-improve. So, it's also like a business. If we create the business, we will wait years, months, and generation bago tayo mag-improve pa. Mas matibay, mas malakas. And for now, I will present you here the modern SM. Ayan na, yung mga malalaking SM like yung SM MOA, SM Cebu, SM Davao, and so forth. Maging itong background ko, SM Legazpi Bicol. So, Mr. Henry C. Think that maraming dumarating na tao or maraming nag-e-evolve. So, kailangan gumawa ng maraming services to serve the people. SM is selling shoes in the 1950s, and then nung 1960s, 70s, it was invented to sell shoes, bags, clothes. And here, on the modern SM now that you will discover is selling everything. Kaya nga sabi nila, we've got it all for you. They have the material things, toys, retail, banking, food, diba? Appliances, and shoes. Hindi mawawalang shoes kasi dyan ang galing ang SM. So, you will check it out, the modern SM with your Nidong. Check it out. Okay, thank you for watching, and you just discover the new Millennial SM, no? Talagang favorite punta ng mga kabataan ngayon. And for those who is researcher, you have a project assignment or seat work about SM, you just discover my blog for this moment, that we are giving you a time travel for the old SM into a new SM. So, after all of the blessings that Mr. Henry C. have, the blessing of new building, new opportunity, new business, expansion, it's time to do his first foundation, or CSR. The helping the people, people helping people, the CSR of SM Foundation, the SM Love Care. So, di ba yung ganon? So, you will discover, of course, for any opportunity that we have from our Lord God and Jesus, we totally blessed. We need to share our blessing because our Lord is giving the provider. And Mr. Henry C. also do that way to establish a foundation because he feel blessed, no? Umaapaw na yung kanyang swerte. Gusto niya rin i-share sa lahat. So, you will check it out, the first foundation and CSR that the SM group of companies do, or the SM Prime Holding do, for their first step for helping people, while the SM is keep on expanding. Okay, thank you for watching for that episode. You've just witnessed from the top, Henry is selling shoes, fixing shoes, until he sell a parcel of the beauty product, mga damit, clothes, until he have the department store, until they grow up, no? Lumaki yung mga business niya, nagkaroon na ng toys, appliances, food, retail, until the mall become the bigger mall and keep on expanding throughout the nation. And also the CSR that he created to serve the nation and to serve the people. You know, SM is very open to all, no? Talaga nga, wag tayong matakot na anumang lahi natin, ikaw man ay boy, girl, sisters, LGBT, tomboy, no? So, all of the people is welcome here in SM Supermall, diba? Kahit nga foreigner, no? Kahit mga Chinese, Amerikano, mga dayuhan, mga Arab-Arab, especially sa MOA, napakaraming foreigner dyan. So, SM is open to all of the people, maging sino ka man. No? Ang SM hindi naman nandiya-judge kahit ang dami-dami mong tattoo sa katawan. Basta't open ka at talagang good ang gagawin mo sa SM, di ba? And also to serve the mall and the people. So talagang we are giving what you need, what you want. Dahil sabi nga sa SM, we've got it all for you. And this is also a variety of serving people. This is the great service that we can feel. Kasi ito naman talaga yung priority ni Mr. Henry C. And your Ninong is portraying as Henry C. Now, I will share it to you as I'm a Henry C. for this special vlog episode. On my SM, everything is welcome. All of the people is welcome. Because that is the service. To give you happiness, to give you what you need, what you want. And sometimes, kahit mga simpleng pera lang yung dala natin sa bulsa natin, no? And then we go to SM, that's good na nakakapunta tayo. And then, you know, the number one priority naman dito is yung happiness ka, diba? Kahit na anumang dala mo, kung pupunta ka sa SM, masaya ka, you will discover the design, yung mga parol, yung mga sumasayaw-sayaw, napapaselfie ka, napapabidyo ka, yung mga design ng Chinese New Year. So that is a priceless happiness that SM can give you. Tsaka yung mga fireworks, di ba? Sa mga different malls ng SM, yung mga fireworks sa gabi, kahit hindi New Year, may pa-fireworks. So that is sharing of happiness, you know, sharing of people's joy. Na ang SM is not only to buy, to explore, or to it's also a form of happy family bonding. Because we made this to all of the Filipino people na maging maligaya. And yan ang aking serbisyo. You know, kahit sabihin ng mga tao, I'm a top billionaire, pinakamayaman sa Pilipinas, no? And then I have a many property, you know, lahat yan. Wala yan yan ay material lamang at mabilis mapalitan. But you know, the happiness of serving people, giving joy, giving what they need, what they want, you know, that is the real treasure for me. Especially yung mga CSR. We share our blessing, helping people, yung mga tambay, yung mga nanglilimos. Noon, ngayon, may education because of SM Scholar, the scholarship, and then yung ating housing. So the SM Cares is building more houses for the Filipino people who is homeless. So until now, we are keep on fighting and we are keep on making plans to save the Philippine economic against crisis, diba? One of the mission of Henry C. He created the SM is to have a pair of shoes to all of the Filipino people na wala na maglalakad na butas ang sapatos, nakachinelas or nakapaa. Yan. Diba? Masakit yun nakapa ka lang lagi. Especially nung World War, maraming nasira, maraming nawala ng mga properties. And also your Henry C. feel that way. Dahil kami ay isa rin sa mga nasabugan dati. Our business, my family was totally damaged because of the World War II happened. And when I become successful, I wish that all of the Filipino will have a pair of shoes. And this millennial world, hindi lang shoes ang nabibigay natin. Nakapagbigay din tayo ng serbisyo, retail, food, happiness, and all in my SM. Kaya, I'm very happy and I feel blessed as a Henry C. that giving you joy, giving you prosperity, and sharing the blessing. Kaya, wala sa akin yan yung mga material ko, yung mga sports car ko, mga mansion ko. No, material lang yan. Pero ang tunay na kayamanan na mabibigay ng SM sa inyo is to help the people, to give you joy, to give you happiness, to give what you need and what you want, and to help the people. And until now, my team, my family of C is making more ways to help the nation, and we'll keep on dreaming na sana bukas wala nang mahirap, wala nang palaboy, wala nang walang bahay, lahat ay mabigyan ng opportunities. The SM group of companies is giving you a way to help to fight crisis and to give happiness of for the people who need, di ba? Kahit yung simpleng mag-family, pupunta lang ng mall dahil magbabayad ng kuryente, yun lang talagang gagawin. Pero, hindi natin maiwasan mapahawak ng cellphone kasi ang ganda-ganda ng view sa SM. Lalo na yung mga gardening, mga plantito-plantita, di ba? Especially pag may event, di ba? May mga puso-puso, may mga parol, pag Valentine's, Pasko, Chinese New Year, di ba? We make things happen, we make people happy in our mall, di ba? Kahit simpleng daan ka lang sa SM ko, sasaya ka sa akin, di ba? And that is the mission of SM Mall, to give you the great day and to serve you more better. Hanggang sa ngayon, more people is searching and discovering about SM, especially mga millennials natin. Our SM is making more ways to give you happiness and joy. And that's me, as your ninong, to be rolled as Mr. Henry C. Thank you for watching and God bless. And this is a special video vlog that we made again for another moment. The title is, Kahit Butas na Sapatos Aayusin Ko. Studying Henry C's first job, the road to succeed on his Shoemart histories. Alright. Thank you. And subscribe on my channel, Ninong TV in Facebook and YouTube.